In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effectively use Sketchpad to create precise and labeled designs using a blueprint background. This entire process should take you no more than a few minutes, and by the end of it, you'll have a clear and shareable design file. Let's get started. First, you'll want to head over to your browser and navigate to sketchpad.app/n. Once there, you should be greeted by a blank checkerboard canvas. This is your workspace, and it will be the foundation of all your creative endeavors today. It might look a little basic now, but in just a few steps, it will transform into something really useful. Before we get too far into creating, let's set up a proper blueprint background to guide us in laying out our design. To do that, move your attention to the left toolbar and click on the page icon, which represents the background settings. Here, you'll have a variety of options to choose from, but what we're looking for is graph paper. Selecting this option will provide you with a lined background, similar to a traditional blueprint grid. This is incredibly handy, as it offers clear guidance on placing elements accurately and proportionately. Having set the stage, it's time to start drawing your basic shapes. Though this step isn't explicitly detailed in our instructions, Sketchpad provides a user-friendly interface for creating all sorts of shapes, whether you're mapping out rooms, objects, or any other elements relevant to your design. Make sure to experiment with the available tools to get the shapes just right, according to the blueprint layout you're envisioning. Next, adding labels to your design is crucial for clarity, whether for personal reference or when sharing with others. Once your shapes are in place, you can easily insert text to name specific areas or note particular details. This step makes your sketch not just visually appealing, but also functional and easily interpretable by anyone who might view it. For those of you who enjoy keeping things neat and organized, consider using layers, though this step is optional. Layers can be incredibly beneficial for separating different elements of your design. On the right sidebar, find and click the Layers icon, which looks like stacked squares. By placing your walls on one layer and labels on another, you make future edits much simpler. This organization ensures that you can adjust one part of your design without disturbing others, maintaining the design's integrity. Finally, once you're satisfied with your creation, it's time to save or export your work. Head over to the left side of your screen once more and click the Save/Export option, represented by a floppy disk icon. You'll be presented with a choice between exporting as a PDF, which is ideal for printing clean, professional copies, or as a PNG, which is perfect for sharing online with friends or colleagues. And there you have it, a step-by-step walkthrough of using Sketchpad to construct and label your blueprint designs effectively. With these tools, you can now create and share eye-catching and precise designs. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.